Starting five for both teams. Starting five for the North and South teams. Kyrie with the ball, with the shot, oh! With a block. Kyrie with the inbound. Intercepted by Legaspi. Legaspi with the ball. He loses it, but he recovers it. Nagaw ni Jestro. Pinasa kay Kyrie. Ayan na, binigyan ng screen ni Shotty. Shotty with the ball. He goes inside. Traveling. South ball. Reklamo po si Shotty. Wala daw foul. Here we go. Set. Rex Jr. with the ball. Rex Jr. passes it to Sia. Oops. Same ball.
Good.
Agaw ni Kyrie. Tuloy-tuloy. Pinasakay. Dingal. Ay di. Jestro pala. Jestro with the ball. Balik kay Kyrie. With a shot. Wala. South with the ball. Set. Titimon. Tumira. Wala. Offensive rebound by Legaspi. Oh, block by Dingal. Rebound by Shotty. Bola ko ng South. Dart ball, dart. Legaspi with the inbound. Pinasay Kian with the layup. Easy basket for Kian. 2-0 ang score. Labang po ang dart. Kyrie. Binigyan na screen. Binigyan na screen. Pinasa kay Jestro. Pumake. Up. Traveling. South ball. Time remaining 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Set with the ball.
Good.
Nagawa ni Jestro. Nagawa ulit. Set. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Cedric. Legaspi with the shot. 2 points for Legaspi. 4-0 lamang ang South Kids. Kyrie with the ball. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Cedric. Ayan na. Tuloy-tuloy. Uwi na layup. 6-0 lamang ng South Kids. 7 minutes and 1 second remaining. Shotty with the ball. Recover by Dingal. Pinasa kay Kyrie. Kyrie, dino-double team. Pinasa kay Niggs. Mix, tumira. Uy, nasupalpal. Uy, dingal with offensive rebound in the basket. 6-2 ang ating score. Lamang ng apat ang South Kids. Ayun na si Seth. Baka may 8 second violation ka. At yun na nga po ang nangyayari. Turnover. Bola po ng North. Mix with the inbound. Ayun sa kay Shotty. Ayan na, dire-diretso. Uy! Wala. Rebound by Kian. Kian. Okay. Diretso. Nilayap. Pasok. Nakaka 4 points na si Kian. Ayan. Kyrie with the ball. Naman ang anim. Ang South. Kyrie with the shot. Wala. Offensive rebound by Shotty. With the shot. Wala. Rebound by Migs. Ayun na. Pinasa kay Kyrie. Kyrie tumira. Yes sir. Score is 8-4. Lamang ng apat ang Dark Team ng South. Ayun na si Seth. Pinasa kay Cedric. Cedric dumiretso. Nilayap. Yes sir. 2 points for Cedric. Okay. Kyrie. Binigyan ng screen. Binigyan ng screen ni Shotty. Shotty with the ball. Pinasa kay Dingal. Binalik kay Kyrie. Wala. Mandatory sub po tayo. Pasok po. New set of players. Pasok po. Lahat kayo, pasok. Labas na. New set of players for both teams. South ball po, South. Dark ball. Ayan na, Adrian. Pinasa ang bola. Adrian with the ball. Aki. 3-second violation. Okay, here we go. Si Kim. Pinasa kay Andre. Wala. Rebound by Aki. Natapikan na. Titus. With a shot. Ooh, one shot. Baba po. Ang lamang. Si Zane with a steal and a layup. Si Kim. There's a violation. Bola po ng North. Ang bilis na nakahabol ang North, mga kaibigan. Oh! Si Bon with a knockout play. Yan na 2 points. Tabla na po. Ang score, 10-all. Adrian. Uy, naago ni Andre. Ayun na. Si Bon. Wow! 2 points. Tamang na po ang North Kids. 12-10. Ang galing mo talaga. Aki, lumaretso, lumiyap, wala. Rebound by Simon. Pinasa sa kapatid niya. Si Sing with the layup. Time out! South. Namang na po ng 4 ang North. Ganon-ganon lang. Okay. Napa-time out ang South Kids. Baba na po ang mga parents at mga relatives ng ating mga kids.
Boss, alright.
Kamusta na, Sir Chino? Okay ka na ba? Okay. Bawal sabihin yan, ha? Okay, we're back to the ball game. Lamang ng North Kids, 14-10. With the surge of the Emnasi brothers, they have taken the lead. Ayan na, nagpe-press ang Emnasi brothers. Aki, natrap. Humihingi ng tulong. 8-second violation ang nangyari. What a defense. Grabe. Galing sa timeout, turnover. Tommy, nasa ka na. Sibon with the ball. Pinasay Titus, pinasay si Kane. With a shot, wala. Rebound by Andre. Uy! Good. Legaspi with the ball. Pinasa kay Aki. Aki, dribbling. Oh! Sibon with a steal. Pinasa kay Titus. Tinira. Oh! Basket. Lamang na ng anim ang white team. Aki. Binigay kay Legaspi. Binigay kay Sander. Sander dribbling the ball. Pinaharas ni Andre. Oh, Aki with a shot. Yes, sir. What's the score? It's 16-12. Lamang ng apat ang North. Sibon. Whoa, Drew Maib with a layup. Easy basket for Sibon. Ayan na, nagtatrap na naman po ang white team. Okay, huli ni Sibon. Sibon, pumasok. Wala. Offensive rebound niya. Pinasay Titus with a shot. Wala. Rebound by Aki. Aki, ayan na. Pinasa kanina kay Adrian. Uy! Nagaw. Titus, pinasay JB. JB tumira. Wala. Sayang. Aki with the rebound. Ayan na. Aki, pinasa kay Sander. Oh, nakuha ni Legaspi. Aki with the ball. Ayan na. Pinasa kay No. Kay Adrian. Uy. White ball. 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Ayan na. Si Sin with the ball. Ayan na. Titimon si Sin. Pinasa sa kapatid niya kay Sibon. Pumasok sa loob, tumira. Oh, easy 2 points for Sibon. Score is 20-14. Lamang ang white North Kids. Legaspi, pinasa kay Sander. Nakuha ni Adrian ang bola. Ayan na. Adrian. Uy! Nakagaw ni Andre. Nice defense. Titus with the ball. Titus, pinasay Sibon. Easy 2 points. Grabe. Lamang na ng 8 ang North, 22-14. Same ball. South with the ball. Inbound by Legaspi. Legaspi, pinasa kay Uy, nakagaw ni Sibon. Sibon, pinasa kay Titus with the 2 points. Lamang na po ng 10. Uy, nakagaw na naman. Grabe. And Nase Brothers doing the damage. Lamang na po ng 12 ang Aki. Aki, dire-diretso na. Ayan, behind the back. Uy, nice shot by Aki. Baba sa 10 ang lamang ng North Team. Sibon. 15 seconds remaining sa game clock. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Sisiin. Uy, nakakuha ng foul. And 1. Nice shot. 8 seconds remaining. Foul number 11. First personal, first team foul. Bonus shot for Sisiin. Shout out to Boss Maya. Anong masasabi ni Bastek? Sisiin with a bonus free throw. Misses it. Rebound by Aki. 5 seconds remaining. To Chris, hindi na salo. Sander, tinira. Wala. And that's the end of the first quarter. Score po natin. 28-16. Lamang ng 12 ang North Kids. Okay, pasok na po ang mga new set ulit ng players. Mandatory substitution until third quarter. Ayan na po. We have an inbound violation. Black ball, black ball. Kian with the inbound. Naghahanap na kakampi. Pinasa kay Rex Jr. Ayun na, set. Dribble. Pinasa kanino? Kay Sia. Ayun na. Oops. Pinasa kay Set. Set. Naghahanap na kakampi. Pinasa kay Legaspi. Legaspi with a shot. No goal. Offensive rebound by Set. Ayun na. Set. Pinasa kanino? Kay Cedric. Cedric tumira. Wala. Bola po ng white. Ng hurt. Diggs. Pinasa kay Kyrie. Okay. Pressure defense ni Kian. Nakabaw ni Kian ang bola. Kian. Diretso. Oh! Hill loses the ball. Balik sa north ng bola. Here goes Kyrie. Oops, good defense by Legaspi. Naagawan. Legaspi with the layup. No goal. Dingaw ni the rebound. Uy! Naagaw ni Kian. Kian with the shot. Yes sir. 2 points for Kian. Here you go, Kyrie. Giving the ball. Screen na ni shot. Uy, naagaw ni Legaspi. Ayun na, Legaspi with the shot. Foul. Foul ni Shoti. First personal, first team foul for the North team. 2 free throws for Legaspi. First one is no good. Second free throw is good. Baba sa siyang ang lamang ng North Kids. Mix with the ball. Nag-uusap sila ni Kyrie. Nagaw ni Kian. Kian, pinasa kay Cedric. Uy, wala. Offensive rebound ni Seth pero naagaw ni Kyrie. Pinasa kay Vincent. Naagaw ni Kian. Pinira, pasok. Baba na sa 7 ang lamang ng North Kids. Kyrie dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Shoti. Ayan na, Ablaza. Passes it to Kyrie. Uy. Recover ni Shoti. Shoti, umikot. 3 second po. Dingal. 8 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. 8 minutes. Sander with a layup in the basket. Foul. Set with the foul. First personal, second team foul. First team foul. Shoti with the ball. There you go. Shoti with the crossover. Natapikan. Ayan na. Ginobal team. Shoti, kay Nibatasan, kay Migs with the shot! Wala. Rebound, by Alcantara. Ayan na. Post to post with a layup. Wala. Rebound by Shoti. Pinasa kanino. Ay, nakagaw ni Seth. Seth, pinasa kay Kian. Pinasa kay Seth. Wala. Rebound by Shorty. Ay, naano ni Kian. Kian. Nag-aarap makakampi. Pinasa kay Seth. Traveling. North ball. Score is 20-23. 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Kyrie with the ball. Ayan na. Double team. Double team si Kyrie. Kian with the steal. All alone for the layup. 2 points. Baba sa 3 ang lamang ng North. Kyrie, pinasa kay Shorty. Ayan na. Shorty with the ball. There's a foul. Yan. First personal, second team foul. Inbound po ng North. Shorty with the inbound. Uy, binigay kay Kian. Ayan na, Kian pinasa ay shot. All alone. Pero hindi na nakontrol ang bola. Tumira ng jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Kyrie. Ayan na. Yung double. Kyrie. Pinasa kay Shotty. Okay. Shotty pumasok. With a layup. Oh, there's a foul. Number 22. 24. Okay. First personal, third team foul. Shotty for 2 free throws. First one, no good. Six minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. Shotty with his second free throw. No good. Offensive rebound ni Dingal.
Senior Basketball League.
Nakuha, na-recover ni Dingal. Nakita kanino kay Shotty. Umate. Uy, pinasa kay Kyrie.
Sige po.
Wala. Rebound by Seth. Ayan na, Rex Jr. Pinasa kay Kian. Meron tayong pakampi sa ilalim pero hindi nakita. Rumos over. Kian. Pinalayak. Wala. Offensive rebound ni Legasti. Wala pa rin. Wala, Kian. Nilabas mo na. Oy. Tumama sa paa. Change possession po tayo. North ball. Kaya inbound by Dingal. Pinasa kay Kyrie. Binalik kay Dingal. Pinasa kay Nix. Pinasa kay Shotty. Shotty. Good. Natrap. Shotty with the ball. Pinasa kay Kyrie. Kyrie. Pinasa kay Nix. Nix with the shot. Uy, wala. Rebound by Sia. Natrap. 8-second violation. Napagod na daw si Kian. Mandatory substitution. Substitution na po. Pasok na po ang papasok. Lalabas ang lalabas. New set of players. We have a tight ball game, 28-25. Lamang ng 3 ang North Kids. Ang Nasi Brothers. Bumalik na sa loob. Si Sane. Pumasok, pamira. Wala. Rebound. Nalado ni Sibon. Sibon with a layup. Yes, sir. 30-25. Lamang ng 5 North Kids. Aki with the ball. Ayan na, full court press ng Nasa Brothers. 8-second violation. Here we go. Hussein with the ball. Pinasay Titus. Pasa kay Jestro. Pumik. Pinasay Titus with a shot. Yes! 2 points for Titus. go, Aki. Ayan na. Full court press. Pinasa, uy, nahuli ni Andre. Pinasa kay Sibon. Lumayak. Wow, nice shot by Sibon. Ayan naman. Na-trap na naman ng North Kids. Bola na naman po ng North Kids. Grabe. Paano nila masusolusyonan ang full court press? Si Same with the inbound. Uy, kanino ang bola? Nakuha ni outside. Same ball. Here we go. Sibon with the ball. Sibon pumasok. Pinasa kay Andre. Tumira. Uy, huli ni Aki. Aki with the ball. Pinasa. Legaspi. Same ball. Legaspi with the inbound. Pinasa kay Aki. Knockout play. Wala. Rebound by Jestro. Pinasa kay Sibon. Maya na. Isa hinabol ni Aki. Una layup. Wala. Offensive rebound ni Andre. Wala. Si Singh. Pinasa kay Sibon. Kumila shot. 2 points for Sibon. Aki. Uy, naagaw. Sibon na naman. With the pass. Binalik kay Sibon. Aki with the ball. With the layup. 2 points for Aki. Singh. Here comes Singh. Dribbling the ball. Goes inside with a shot. No go. Rebound by Chris. Aki. Pinasa kay Sabdo. Naagawan ni Jestro. Sibon. Ayan na. Pinasa kay Jestro. Nice pass. Kaso hindi na shoot. Ayan na, Aki, all alone. Ayan na, all the way. 2 points for Aki. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Oh, Adrian with the top. Nice D. Time out. South. Score natin is 36-29. Board Kids with a 7-point lead. Back to the ball game. Balik na po. Bola ng North Kids. Here we go. Uy, Jestro with the shot. Knockout play. Pasok. Meron po tayong inbound violation by the South team. White ball, white ball. Si Singh. Pinasay Titus. Tumira. No go. Legaspi with the rebound. We have a foul. Jestro, number 30. First personal, first team foul. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. May inbound violation na not counted. Si Saint, naghahanap na lang ang pinasay si Bon. Tumira, wala. Offensive rebound pa rin nila. Isa pa. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound pa rin nila. Jump ball. Walang tinawag. Black ball, black ball. Possession arrow, black. Here we go, Legaspi with the inbound. Pinasa kay Adrian. Ayan na, Adrian. Pinasa kanina. Ano? Sinapatip ni Andre. Nice D. White ball po, white ball. Here we go, Titus, bringing down the ball. Ayan na. Pinasay Sivon. Sivon with the shot, no goal. Rebound by Aki. Aki, tuloy-tuloy sa loob. Uy, wala ang layup niya. Rebound by Legaspi with the shot, wala. Just throwing the rebound. Pinasa kanino? Kay Sivon. Masyado malakas, pinasa kay Andre, wala. Sivon, offensive rebound. Nakakuha ng foul. Legaspi with the foul. First personal warning for penalty ang South Kids. 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining sa first half. Sivon makes the first free throw. Sivon also makes the second free throw. It's an 11-point lead. Para sa North, 40-29. Oh, there's a steal. Titus with the shot. Yes, sir. It's a 13-point lead na by the North team. Ayan na. Aki bringing down the ball. Tuloy-tuloy si Aki. May layup. Wala. Rebound by Jesto. Jesto. Maghanap na kakampi. Pinasay Titus. Pinasay Sivon. Sivon with the shot. No go. Offensive rebound ni Andre. Yes, sir! Nice shot by Andre. 40 seconds remaining. 40 seconds. 44-29. Aki. Uy, agaw ni Joshua. Violation po. Traveling. 31 seconds remaining. 31 seconds. Legaspi with the ball. Tumira ng tres. Malakas. Sivon with the rebound. Binato ang bola. Pinasa kay Titus with the layup. Easy 2 points for Titus. Oh, Sivon with the steal. Sivon. Pinasa sa kapatid niya. Si Sin with an easy 2. Yeah. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Counter. Pasok ang last shot ni Aki. Score po natin. 40-31. It's a 17-point lead by the North Kids. Third quarter, mandatory pa rin po tayo. Ha? Pahinga muna, pahinga. Ayan, meron naghahanap kay Bon. May naghahanap po. Shout out to Mr. Mark Manalili. Happy viewing po. You know si Baste, oh. Sabi na next time yan. Ilang ano na lang, ilang birthday na lang Baste. Okay, back to the ball game, kids. Start of the third quarter.
Hindi, sa mga matatanda na po. Sige.
White ball for the start of the third quarter. Shotty with the ball. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound is Cedric. Cedric tuloy-tuloy with the layup. Uy, bitin. JB with the rebound. Pinasay Kyrie. Oops, traveling. Nalipat. Here you go. South ball. Set with the pass. Pinasay Kian. Uy, huli ni Kyrie. Pero na-recover ni Kian. Pinasa kay Sia. Nagharap na lang ako eh. Uy, na. There's a jump ball. Same ball. Black ball.
Lapitan mo yan. Lapitan mo yung bola.
Set with the inbound. Nasa kay Cedric. Cedric with a shot. No good. Cedric offensive rebound. Pinasa kay Legaspi. Wala. Offensive rebound ni Legaspi. Pinasa kay Kian. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Wala po ng Mark. White ball. 9 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Kylie. Here we go. Kylie with the ball. Tumira. Yes, sir. 3 points for Kylie Espino. Cedric. All the way. Yes, sir. Kyrie. Pinasa yung Shotty. Shotty. Here you go. Uy. Tumama sa paa. Kian with the shot. Yes, sir. Score natin 51-35, 16-point lead. Kyrie with the crossover. With the shot. Yes, sir. Hindi na. Kian with the ball. Hindi na. Hindi na depensa nila Migs. Kian. Kian. Pinasa kay no. Kay Cedric. Cedric with the shot. 2 points for Cedric. Hindi na. Shotty with the ball. Uy! Ano yun? Shotty with the shot. Wala. Cedric with the rebound. Ano? Cedric, pinasa. Kay Legaspi. Uy, tumama yung sa paa. Kian with the shot. Wala. Rebound Dino. Dingal with the rebound and there's a foul. Foul by number 9, Legaspi. That is his first team foul. Kyrie, yun na. Kyrie, dribbling the ball. Yun yung depensa ni Seth. Kyrie, anong gagawin? Uy, double team. By Seth and Sia. Kyrie, ayun na. Pinasa ka rin mo. Wala. Bola po na. South, black ball. Ayun na. Cedric with the ball. Pinasa kay Kian. Kian versus Kyrie. Oh, traveling. Shotty with the ball. Pinasay Kyrie. Kyrie across the court. Nadulas. Same ball. White ball. Mix with the inbound. Pinasa kanino kay Shotty. Shotty tumira. Wala. Offensive rebound. Dingal na. Pinasay JB with the shot. Wala pa rin. JB ulit. Wala pa rin. Dingal. Offensive rebound. Pinasay Kyrie. Uy. 3-second violation. South ball po tayo. 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Ayan na. Seth, pinasay Legaspi. Pinasay Cedric. Cedric, ayan na. Pumasok, nanggigil, nilayap, wala. Dingal, nakipag-iguan. Jump ball ulit tayo. Bola po ng white ng North. Here comes Kyrie. Kyrie passes it to Shotty. Shotty with the ball. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Cedric. Cedric, here he comes. Ayan na, pinasa kay Kian. With a shot. Yes, sir! Score is 53-39. Baba sa 14 ang lamang ng North. Kyrie. Dribble the ball. Binabantay ni Seth. Kyrie tumira. Wala. Rebound by Cedric. Cedric with the ball. Pinasa kay Legaspi. Legaspi with the layup. Wala. Rebound by Dingal. Passes it to Kyrie. Espino with the ball. Espino. Pinagpasan ng mga defender. Ayan, dinoboting. Naagaw ni Cedric. Cedric. Uy, ang lakas ng pasa. Balik sa North Kids ang bola. 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Mag-ready na po yung new set of players. Dingal, pinasa kanino kay Kyrie. Pinidepensa ni Kian. Kyrie with the ball. Kyrie. Naagawan ni Kian. Kian with the ball. Kian, pinasa kay Legaspi with the shot. Pasok. Baba sa 12, 53-41 ng lamang ng North Kids. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Kyrie, pinasa kay Migs. Pinasa kay Shotty. Shotty with the fake. With the shot. Uy, pinasa kay JB. Naagaw. Same ball. North. 4 seconds remaining sa shot clock. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds, shot clock, 4 seconds. 2, 1. Ooh, nice shot by Kyrie. 55-41. 14-point lead by the North Kids. Here with the ball. Next dead ball, mandatory shot na. Kyrie with the rebound. Ayan na, Kyrie. Naagaw ni Cedric. Cedric with the ball. Dire-diretso. Cedric with the shot. Wala. Rebound ni Kian. Pasa. Sia with the shot. Wala. Nice try. Yun na. Shotty. Shotty with the shot. Injury timeout. Mandatory sub na rin. Pasok na po yung mga new set kids. Injury timeout po muna. 57. 57-41. 16-point lead.
Nakatulog po yata, coach. Yung pagka-steal ng bola. Nag-antay na kumain.
Four minutes and 17 seconds remaining. New set. Pasok na po.
Hindi, may salamin ako.
Black ball, black ball. Basket ni Shoti, basket ni Shoti. 16-point lead, North Kids. Aki, passes it to... Hindi na control ni Vincent. South ball. Aki with the ball. Traveling. There you go. Si Singh with the ball. Si Singh. Pinasa kay Andre. Balik kay si Singh. Pinasa kanina kay Titus with a shot. No go. Offensive rebound ni Simon with the basket. 59-41. 18-point lead by the North Kids. Aki all the way with the layup. Yes sir. Baba sa 16 ulit ang laman. 59-43. Si Singh with the jump shot. No go. Rebound by Sander. Sander, pinasa kay Adrian. Adrian, wala ang bola. Vincent, may pagkaduan. Chris, pinasa kay Aki. Aki tumira sa tres. Wala. 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Sander. Pinasa kay Adrian, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Aki. Nahuli ni Simon. Simon. Pinasa kay Andre. Rebound. Andre. Tira. Tira. Adrian with the rebound. Pinasa kay Chris. Uy, nakakito ni Titus. Titus with the ball. Pinasa kay Simon. Ayan na, all alone. 61-43. 18-point lead. Legaspi with the ball. Pinasa kay Aki. Aki. Uy, behind the back with the shot. Yes, sir. 2 points for Aki. Baba uli sa 16 ng lamang ng North Kids. 61-45. Si Sin. Pinasa kay Simon with the jumper. In and out. Adrian. Uy. Nice rebound. Nahuli ni Simon. And Simon with the basket. Grabe. Ang galing. Aki, pinasa kay Adrian. Ayun na. Adrian. Uy, nahuli ni Andre. Simon all alone with the layup. 2 points for Simon. It's now a 20-point lead for the North Kids. 65-45. Same ball, South ball. 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Aki with the ball. Aki with the shot. No go. Rebound by Aki again. Adrian with the shot. Wala. Offensive rebound ni Aki. 2 points for Aki. Baba sa 18 ang lamang. 65-47. Ayun na, Andre. Uy! Huli ni Adrian. Nice defense by Adrian. 39 seconds remaining. 39 seconds. 18 ang lamang. 65-47. Si Sane with the basket. Make that a 20-point lead. 67-47. Here comes Aki. Aki with the ball. Behind the back. Away the layup. O, pasa pala yun. Pinasay Chris. 2 points for Chris. Sibon, naghanap ng kakampi. 13 seconds remaining. Andre, 10 seconds. 7. 5 seconds remaining. Ano ang gagawin ni Sibon? Pinasa kay Sising with the jumper. Wala. And that's the end of the third quarter. North Kids with the lead. 67-49. Wala na pong mandatory substitution sa fourth quarter. Normal substitution pattern na po.
Okay ka na? Go, fight mo. Pagpag mo lang.
Normal substitution na po. This is the last quarter. Nakakahabol pa ba ang South Kids? Nag-jump. White ball, white ball. White ball, white ball. Start ng fourth quarter, white ball po. Just Robin and Mountain. Ayan na, Kylie is not. Kylie being defended. Whoa, nice crossover with the shot. No goal. Rebound by Aki. With an outlet pass. Kian. Kian with the layup. 2 points for Kian. Here you go. Ayan na, Shotty. Shotty. Pumasok sa loob. Naagaw ni Aki. Aki with the ball. Behind the back with the shot. Short. Offensive rebound. Nakuha ni Jestro ang bola. Naagaw ni Cedric. Cedric crossover. Cedric pinasa kay Aki. Aki tinira. Wala. Dingal with the rebound. Kyrie. Ayan, binabantayan ni Seth. Kyrie, forward pass to Shotty. Shotty, ayun na. Tumira. Hindi, kumik. Natamaan sa mukha. Jestro. Naagaw ni Seth. Aki versus Kyrie. Aki with a shot. No go. Seth with a rebound. Pero naubusan ng spasyo. North ball, north ball. Yan, Jestro, natapitan. White ball pa rin po. Mag-ingat po tayo mga kids. Ingat lang po tayo ha. 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Ayan na, Shotty. With the shot. No goal. Cedric with the rebound.
Shout out, Redong Calvo.
Pero naagaw ni Jestro. Pinasa ay Dingal. Pinasa ay Shotty. Shotty. Ayan na. Humihingi si Dingal. Uy, naagaw ni Kian. Kian all alone for the layup. 2 points for Kian. Score is now 67-53, down to 14. Ang lamang ng North. Kyrie with the ball. Kyrie with the crossover. Natapikan ni Seth. Seth. Ayan na, nakuha ni Cedric ang bola. Pinasa kay Aki. 2 points for Aki. Down to 12. Ang lamang ng North, 67-55. Cedric with a steal. With a layup, wala. Cedric recovers it. Tumira, wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Uy! Mali ang napasahan. Time out! Hard Kids. Shoutout po kay Raydon Soria. Pinapa-shoutout ni Boss Rex. Mahal na mahal ka daw ni Boss Rex. Nasaan ka na daw, Boss Raydon? Yan na. Pumasok na uli ang si Brothers with Kyrie. Ayan na. Ang anak ni Raydon, si Lindon, dumating na. Papasok ka ba, Lindon? White ball. Ayan na. Si Juan with the ball. With a crossover. Pumasok with the shot. No goal. Rebound by Legaspi. Passes it to Rex Jr. Ay, hindi nakatingin si Aki. Si Sane wasn't able to control the ball. White ball po tayo. White ball. 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Cedric. Anong ginawa? Dinoble team. Pinasa kay Aki. Uy, nice pass. Easy 2 points for Aki. Baba sa 10 ang laman ng mark. 67-57. Si Sing, pinasa kay Kyrie. Titira ba ng 3? Ayan na. Wala. Rebound by Aki. Ayan na. Aki, tuloy-tuloy. Na-depensa ni Sibon. Inaagaw ni Sibon. Sibon with the ball. Dire-diretso. Sibon. Ayan na. Uy, may kasamang foul. Foul by Cedric. That is his second personal, first team foul by the South. Bonus free throw for Simon. Simon doesn't make the bonus free throw. Aki with the rebound. Pinasa isip pero hindi na control ni Sep. Hindi na solve. Shout out to Mr. Rian Takadino. Ready na si Mr. Rian. Ngayon na, Titus with the shot. Uy, pinabanda, pasok. Kian with the ball. Dinidepensahan ni Kyrie. Ano ang gagawin? Pinasa kay Cedric. Cedric tumira ng 3. Palobo, wala. Rebound by Sisane. Sisane with the ball. Dinidepensahan ni Kian. Sisane, pumasok. There's a foul. Second personal, second team foul. 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. 2 free throws for Sising. First one is no good. Mag-ready na po. Game 2 ng finals natin between UB and Xenia Pirates. Sising makes the second free throw. Yeah. Aki with the ball. Aki na daw, sabi ni Kian. Kian, naghahanap ng kakampi. Ano ang gagawin niya? Pinasa kanino kay Aki. Aki with the shot. Sobra. Oh. Injury timeout. Ayan na po. Si Choi Do. Mr. Aloria is here. Meron po tayong injury timeout. Aki. Nandito na po ang presidente ng Xenia Basketball, Mr. Raydon Soria. Kumakaway-kaway pa. Wala ka daw, Raydon, sabi ni Aloria. Hindi na dinig ni Raydon. Baste, kamusta dyan, Baste? Baste, kamusta? I-report mo, Baste. Yari! Kapilok. Iyela mo na yan, Aki. Iyela na yan, iyelo. Sino pa palit kay Aki? Sander, pasok Sander. It's a 15-point lead by the North, 72-57. Same ball. 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Ayan na. Kian. Pumasok, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Sising. Sising with the ball. Dinidepensa ni Kian. Uy. Sising loses the ball. Black ball. Ay. Black ball po tayo. Ayan na, Adrian. Uy. Pasok mo, Adrian. Ayan na. Sander. Ayan pala. 8-second violation. Balik sa North ang bola. Substitution. Substitution. Andre out. JB in. White ball po, white ball. 4 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Ready, ready. White ball. Ayan na. Sivon with a 3-point shot. Wala. Offensive rebound nito. Ni Shoti. Ayan na. Shoti pumasok. Tinasa kay Titus. Titus with a shot. Wala. Rebound ni Cedric. Ayan na. Cedric, sinalubong ni Sivon. Good daw. Okay. Sivon. Here comes Sivon. Ayan na. With a shot. 2 points for Sivon. Cedric, pinasa kay Kian. Kian. Binantay ni Migs. Binantay ni Shoti. Ayan na. Si JB na nakabantay. Pinasa kanino. Kay Legaspi. He loses control. Nakagaman. Mix with the shot! Ah, wala. Sayang. Kian with a shot. 2 points. Okay, Titus with the ball. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Pinasa kay Shoti. Shoti with a shot. No goal. Rebound by Sander. Uy, naagaw ni Simon. Simon, here he comes. Simple. Substitution. Pasok, pasok. Substitution. Pasok, ang papasok. Ayan sila. White ball, white ball. Ready, ready. Simon. Get the ball, get the ball. Simon. 3-second violation. Bola po ng South. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Legaspi with the inbound. Set with the ball. Double team. Ooh. There's a foul. Injury timeout. Masyadong nang gigigil ang mga kids. Relax lang po mga kids. Ha? 25 with the foul. 25. Second personal. First team foul. Shotty, natapik ulit ang bola. Same ball. Substitution. Substitution. Shotty out. Dingal in. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 15-point lead by the North. Sucker, the ball. Balik kay Seth. Ayan na. Seth, ano ang gagawin? Plumira. No go. Dingal with the rebound. Simon, here he comes. Double team. Simon. Kanino, pinasa kay Titus. Biggs with the shot. Sayang. Dingal with the rebound. Simon, titira ng tres. Bang! Ang galing mo. Tira, set. Set with the ball. Tuloy-tuloy. Oops. Pinasa kay Legaspi. Legaspi with the shot. Wala. Rebound by Dingal. Pinasa kay Titus. Titus with the ball. All alone. Layup. Wala. JB with the offensive rebound. Dinipensa ng tatlo. Mix. Ayan na. Mix. Umake. Naagaw ni Sander. Pero naagaw ulit ni Simon. Simon with the shot. Wala. Dingal with the offensive goal. Wala pa rin. Simon. Wala pa rin. Rebound Dino. Kanino? Kay Seth. Wala. Seth. Uy. Substitution. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. 77-59. One minute na lang. Yan na, Santer with the, Cedric with the ball. Pinasay Kian with the shot. Wala. Chris with the offensive rebound. Oh, 2 points for Chris. 77-61. 50 seconds remaining. Substitution. Pasok. Pasok ang papasok.
Ready.
Ay!
Set. Dribbling the ball. 45 seconds remaining. Backcourt violation. North ball. Ready. Sisig with the ball. Drives to the basket. There's a foul. Foul by Rex Jr. Second personal, third team foul. Inbound. Sisig with the inbound. Pinasay Kyrie with the shot. Wala. Ayan na. Kian. Oh, napunta kay... No good. Bola ng North. 23 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. 23 seconds. Vincent with the inbound. Passes it to... Oh, naaga ni Adrian. Pinasay Kian. Wala. Rebound ni Sander. Ay ni Cedric. Sia. Pinasa kay Rex Jr. 9 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Kian with the 3-point shot. Wala. Sia with the shot. Wala. Sayang. And that's the end of our ball game. But kids win this time. 77-61.